On this next activity, you are going to do this without any help of any of the teachers. Now you can pair up with someone and get this done. But I'm just going to help out with the first one that you guys can see what you're supposed to do. So it says here, begin the maze in the box that is labeled start, which is right here. So I'm going to get this one and I'm just going to drag it here because this is the one that I'm going to start off with. So I have my equation here. So I'm going to get my decimals calculator and I'm going to type in x plus 3. And then on the bottom, I'm going to put 9. Remember, because it is a number, decimals does not know what to do with it. So we need to tell it to graph. So we're going to put y equals. Now that we put y equals, now we're ready to find out where they cross. Just click on somewhere in here and the answer is going to be right here on the bottom, which is a 6. So look. Which way are you going to go? Are you going to go to the right? Are you going to go down? Are you going to go down diagonally? Well, the answer is x equals to 6. That means I'm going to go down. So I'm going to grab one of these and I'm just going to put it right here because this is the direction that I'm going to go. Again, I grab one of these, I put it here, I solve for this one, and this one's going to tell you, are you going to go to the right or are you going to go down? Until you finish off up here where it says finish. So again, I'm going to delete. That way you guys can work on them on your own without any help from the teacher.